Hello, welcome back to Healthy Blonez Foods and Recipes. Today I'll be sharing 4 amazing foods that are super healthy: melon, banana, cucumber, and cabbage. You will also learn easy recipes to make at home. Let's get started. 1. Health benefits of melon. Let's start with melons. Melons are sweet, juicy, and perfect for a hot day. But did you know they're also super healthy? 1. Melons are high in water content and therefore are one of the best sources for hydration. 2. The vitamin C in them helps your body defend against colds and keeps your skin looking great. 3. Low in calories, melons are great for keeping you fit and healthy. 4. Melons contain potassium, which helps with the proper functioning of the heart and maintains blood pressure within normal limits. Isn't that amazing? Melons aren't just delicious, they are also good for the body. 2. Easy melon recipe. Now, let's make a quick melon smoothie. Here's what you need: 2 cups of chopped melon, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, a few ice cubes. Put everything in the blender and blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and your refreshing melon smoothie is ready. It's perfect for breakfast or as a snack. Segment 3. Health benefits of banana. Next, let's come to bananas. Bananas are among the most eaten fruits all over the world, and for a reason. 1. They give you quick energy because they have natural sugars. 2. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps your heart and muscles work well. 3. They are full of fiber, thus they help with digestion and prevent constipation. 4. But bananas can also make you happy. They contain something called tryptophan, which your brain uses to make happy chemicals called serotonin. Bananas taste great, and they're really good for your body and brain too. 4. Easy banana recipe. Let's make a banana smoothie bowl. You'll need 2 bananas, frozen if possible, ½ cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, a handful of oats. Blend everything together until it's thick and creamy. Pour it into a bowl and add your favorite toppings like sliced bananas, nuts, or seeds. It's healthy and delicious. Segment 5. Health benefits of cucumber. Now let's talk about cucumbers. Cucumbers are super refreshing and very healthy. 1. They are made up of 95% water, so they keep you hydrated. 2. Cucumbers are good for your skin because they have vitamins and antioxidants. 3. They are great for digestion because they have fiber. 4. Cucumbers can also help remove toxins from your body. They're crunchy, tasty, and easy to add to many dishes. 6. Easy cucumber recipe. Let's make cucumber-infused water. You'll need 1 cucumber, sliced, half a lemon, a few mint leaves, a jug of water. Put everything in the jug and let it sit for an hour. This refreshing drink is perfect for staying hydrated during the day. Segment 7. Health benefits of cabbage. Finally, let's talk about cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable packed with nutrients. 1. It has lots of vitamin C and K, which keep your immune system strong and your blood healthy. 2. Cabbage is full of fiber, which helps with digestion. 3. It has antioxidants that protect your body from damage. 4. Did you know cabbage can also lower cholesterol? Cabbage is a superfood that's good for your heart and overall health. Section 8. Easy cabbage recipe. Let's do a quick cabbage slaw. For that, you would want to use 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 1 shredded carrot, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix in all those things in a large bowl and stir well. That makes it one healthy side dish, can be had with just any type of meal. These are 4 easy recipes that you can make using melon, banana, cucumber, and cabbage. Each is very healthy and easy to prepare. Which one are you going to try first? Leave your comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you in the next video for more healthy meals and tips.